Hello everyone and welcome to your 11th Adobe After Effects tutorial, Parenting Layers and Anchor Point. In this tutorial, we will learn the concepts of parenting different layers and we will learn what is anchor point and what it is used for. So let's start right away. Let's create a new composition. Tutorial 11 and hit OK. Let's set this to fit up to 100%. So in order to demonstrate the anchor point and parenting, let's create a few objects over here. Let's create the solids. Purple. Let's create another one. Green. Blue. One more, that is orange. Hit OK, and then one last, that will be red. Hit OK. So now we have many solids over here. Now first let's learn about the anchor point. Now the anchor point is basically the point from where the rotation and all the other effects will take place. For example, over here what we see is the anchor point. Now if we select a rotation tool and then rotate this solid, it will rotate while keeping the anchor point as the center. Now if you want to change the anchor point, we will select the pan behind tool from over here, left click the anchor point and then move it anywhere we want. Now let's select the rotation tool, and now when we rotate, it does not rotate from the center but from the anchor point. As you can see, it rotates in this way. And that's what the anchor point is. Let's set the anchor point back to the center. Alright, like so. Now let's see what is parenting layers. First, let's select these layers, hit S, bring down their scale. Let's move this up here, move the orange up here. Let's animate the green solid, hit a keyframe here, move to 2 seconds, move it here. And now when we play the animation, as you can see, the green solid moves from left to right. Now if I select the orange layer and from the parent return over here, I select the green layer from here. Now if I play the animation, the orange solid will move along with the green solid. The green solid has become a parent for the orange solid, and hence now the orange solid is moving accordance to the green solid. So guys, that's it for this tutorial and thank you for watching.